Hello everyone. We are coming to the lecture now. Firstly, I'll give you a course introduction about the corpus linguistics. This is an introduction to corpus linguistics, so we are not seriously taking into the corpus linguistics like a grammatical analysis or morpheme semantical analysis. We are going to focus on words, vocabularies, things like that. Because vocabulary analysis is easier to do than other linguistic items. So in corpus linguistics, we are going to deal with language data as part of big data, even though we are not going to deal with very big data in this course because this is a preliminary course to corpus linguistics. Firstly, in the first week, this week, we are going to talk about the brief introduction about the corpus linguistics, what is the background information about the corpus linguistics, how corpus linguistics appear in the world, and what kind of data we have to use, what kind of perspective about linguistics we have to adopt for corpus linguistics, things like that. I will introduce natural language processing, a part of AI, artificial intelligence. 人工, right? 人工智能. So most of the AI and natural language processing use the corpus and corpora as part of corpus linguistics data. So this is going to be a basic foundation as the data set for AI development in terms of communication between humans and AI. So corpus linguistics contribute to many sciences and fields and business fields nowadays. This is going to be a brief introduction about corpus linguistics. And in the second week, we are going to talk about different types of corpus or corpora. Words, vocabulary, grammar, things like that, or chunk, phrasal expressions, things like that, and how we can use open access corpora or corpus tool. Okay, it is going to be a brief introduction about how to use corpus tool, not seriously, so it is not that difficult a task in 2 weeks. We are coming into the deeper and more serious part of the corpus linguistics week by week. And in the third week, we are going to talk a little bit more about different corpora, types of corpora. Lexis, which is about words and vocabulary. Collocation, group of words, group of different words, which are targeted at sentence, phrases, a little bit more longer, the group of words, things like that. So you look at what kind of corpora, linguistic data we can look into with corpus tool. And in week 4, we are coming more into grammar, semantics, and discourse analysis. But we are not going to seriously do this because grammar and semantics and discourse analysis with corpus linguistics is very difficult. We need one course for grammatical analysis, the other course, one semester for semantic analysis, the other course for discourse analysis. So, including vocabulary, grammar, semantics, and this course, we can make up a data set for artificial intelligence, AI, in terms of language. So the linguistic part of artificial intelligence is called natural language processing. So natural language processing includes sociology, social linguistics, philosophy, linguistics, all of this psychology, all of these different things into one data set. Okay, but we are not coming into this deep parts, serious part of artificial intelligence or corpus linguistics in this course because this course is introduction 1. And then we're going to talk about how we can apply corpus linguistics to different fields like English language teaching and learning, new media, and natural language processing. We're going to do this part, new media, just a little bit, And natural language processing, not seriously. Okay, because this is not what we can do now with Introduction to Corpus Linguistics course. Okay, but we will look at the glimpse of the picture, okay, of natural language processing, and what we can do with corpus data, language data, for natural language processing. If you want to do natural language processing, you have to learn Python or R programming language. So it is going to be a very huge course. So if you're interested in this area, you can study more in MA degree, or you can study more by yourself by watching YouTube videos, things like that. And week 6, week 7, we are going to study basic statistics by using JASP as a statistical tool. You don't have to worry about statistics. It is not about math. It is not about mathematics accounting. Most of the students may have learned statistics in your first year, right? You used your handwriting and a calculation, or SPSS maybe, and it was very, very challenging and demanding to do, right? And you use so much about math, but this basic statistics is not about math. You don't have to know about math. If you just understand and memorize the basic concept, you can use it, because ASP is just a piece of cake. You can learn how to use this in 1 or 2 hours. I guarantee it's very easy to use. Okay, so for 2 weeks we are going to learn how to use statistics, because statistics is a basic skill for corpus linguistics, and JSP will help you to do it very easily. Okay, so don't be afraid. In week 8 and through week 10, we are going to do the second stage of corpus linguistics. Actually, in week 6 and week 5, you're going to do your short assignment project by using Open Access Corpora. In this course, we are going to use 2 different tools: Open Access Corpora, web, internet-based corpus tool. And the second tool we're going to use is AndConc, JSP and AndConc. AndConc is a corpus tool we can make corpus and we can analyze corpus with. Okay. So we're going to practice using AndConc and JSP to analyze written corpus data. Written corpus data is language data in a written form. And we're going to use the concept of method discourse markers. One of the example is like but, however, may, might, can, things like that. Those kind of vocabularies can be analyzed with written corpus language data, JSP in terms of statistical analysis, and AndConc in terms of linguistic analysis. Okay, I will let you know about this step by step, so don't worry about this. This is a little bit difficult, but not that possible, because other students in the previous semester they did this. They were successful in doing this. Okay, so don't worry about this. And in week 11 and week 12, we're going to do a course overview, and we're going to finish course research project. It is going to be a group work. We're going to do data collection from the website or student writing, and we will make a corpus data. We will do data analysis and interpretation by using AndConc and JSP, and you're going to do your presentation. If you can come back to campus, you're going to do it in the classroom. If you can't, you'll make a group work and presentation in a video. Yeah, in presentation, it will come up in week 14 and week 13. Okay, so this is it. You're gonna watch some video lectures and the answer to the discussion questions in assignment in iSpace. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.